Okay, I just finished my notes now. I'm just gonna use this. Okay. Oh, coffee. Yep, just a little. Oh yeah, my shoes. Okay, it's kinda long.
Pero, sinunis din daw ang binigay ng abogado.
I don't like recording. I don't record.
I put a filter on you.
No.
Why do you don't want to be recorded?
I don't like to be recorded. I just don't like.
Okay.
So don't record me.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna shut the door. That's my ID and my mom's ID. Where's the door? Bye-bye, little doggies.
Pilit kasi si Sinunis eh. Bagay, yung kakaiba nga. Kasi iba-iba daw yung pagkakagawa ng first train namin.
What happened to my kitty? The door is that. Let me go there. Let me go there. Oh, I have 6 little kitties. The one is not showing up. What? Bye, little kitties. So they have got their own food.